Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about passive income. So if you want to learn how you can start a passive income business from scratch, even if you work a 9 to 5 and you don't have any time to invest in building your own brand or business, then make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to be giving you this one simple idea that you can use to start your own passive income earnings on the internet. Okay, so recently, about 2 or 3 days ago, I had a coaching call with this one client who wanted to weigh options to find out what he could possibly do to start earning passive income online, even though he works a 9 to 5 and he doesn't have time to invest in building his own brand or business himself. And there's this one option available to someone like that who wants to start earning passive income, and I'm going to be talking to you about it right now and going through 5 steps on how to actually get started, so you guys will have no excuse as to why you cannot start earning some passive money for yourself. Okay, so this passive income business that I want to share with you is affiliate marketing on Medium. Okay, so Medium is a place similar to YouTube where you can actually create content. On Medium, you create written content as opposed to creating video content as I do on YouTube. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, if you're not creating content, it's going to be very difficult for you to start a passive income business for yourself on the internet. You have to be creating content. And for people who are busy and who are not able to build their own brand, Medium or somewhere else where you can actually create written content where you don't have to show your face, such as on YouTube or Instagram, you can actually still start a passive income business doing that. Okay, so right on Medium, sell affiliate products. That's the business model. So you want to start creating content on Medium. You want to make sure that you have affiliate products that you can promote in that content, and that is how you basically make money. But let me walk you through this 5-step process on how to actually do it systematically. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that you create your Medium account. It's free to create and you can do it right now. So take immediate action, create your Medium account. If you go to medium.com, you can actually create your account with your Facebook details or your Google details. So if you have a Facebook account or a Google account, you can immediately link those two together and set up your Medium account. Once you have your Medium account ready, of course, you have to set up your profile, maybe add an image, add some information about yourself, and your profile is ready to go. The next step would be to actually decide on the niche that you're going to be targeting. What type of content are you going to be writing on Medium? Make sure this is something that is profitable and marketable. The best category to write content in on Medium is technology or self. Those two categories are always profitable, whether you're doing it on Medium or YouTube, for that matter. So once you have decided on your niche, then the next step would be to find a writer. So since you're not going to be able to create the content yourself and to build your own business for yourself, you have to hire people to do it for you. And this is where leverage comes in. So you don't have time, but maybe you have some money to invest. You can use that money to buy time. I highly recommend that you get writers on Upwork. Upwork writers are pretty good. You can find some good writers on Upwork. You can also find writers on Fiverr, but based on my own experience, you will find better quality writers and get better content on Upwork. Do bear in mind that there is a trade-off between Fiverr and Upwork and quality and price. So you have to make sure that you know exactly what you're trying to get and what you can afford. So on Upwork, it's going to be more expensive to get good quality writers. On Fiverr, you may be able to get beginner writers, but you don't want mediocre content for your Medium account. So you want to make sure that you invest in decent enough writers. All right, so once you have that down pat, then of course you will need to sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Free to do. Once again, you just go to amazon.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, look for where it says make money with us, and you will see where it says join the Amazon affiliate program. you can actually click on that and sign up for free. Your account will go through a review process, but usually most people get accepted. I don't know if anyone who has not been accepted in the Amazon affiliate program. And from there, you can actually start promoting different products from the Amazon website. Amazon have so many different products or services that you can choose to promote and earn affiliate commissions from that. The next step would be to create a newsletter. So you want to make sure that you sign up for something such as MailChimp, and where you can actually create a landing page and get people from your Medium articles to actually sign up for your newsletter. Your newsletter is a great way to communicate with people who want to get closer to you, to build a tighter relationship. And this newsletter you can actually use to sell even more of the affiliate products that you're promoting from Amazon. And this is a bonus tip for you guys who are really serious about doing this and starting a passive income business for yourself. All right, so I highly recommend that even though you will be hands off and not running your business day in, day out by yourself, I highly recommend that you get a full understanding of how affiliate marketing works if you don't know, and also how SEO works. SEO is search engine optimization, and it's very important to help you to get found in the Medium search engine when you're creating your content. So make sure you take some time to learn affiliate marketing and search engine optimization. A great place to learn these skills for cheap or for free is Skillshare. So Skillshare is a platform where you can learn a lot of different skills for one monthly fee. I think it starts at about $8.95 per month, and you can take as many courses that you want. The platform currently offers about 25,000 different courses, so you could pay a monthly fee and take any of those courses and learn the skills that you will need to build your own passive income business. So I've partnered with Skillshare for this video, and I'm going to be leaving a link in the video description. So if you click on that link and you go to Skillshare and you sign up, you will get not one but 2 months free premium membership to take any course that you like on the Skillshare platform. So make sure, if you're interested and you're serious about building your business and you want to learn these skills, check out Skillshare. Link is in the video description. Okay, so that is where I'm going to be leaving you with this video. Really do hope you found some value in this video. If you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, or if you just want to say thank you. Share this video with someone looking to build a passive income business for themselves. And finally, don't forget to subscribe, because just like this video, I'm going to be creating more content similar to this that's going to teach you how to build your own business on the internet. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.